Hi.
Hey.
It's week 39. Next week, this day, baby should be arriving.
I know.
But there's nothing going on.
What do you mean?
There's no contraction, nothing. Tomorrow is week 39. Oh, we'll see. Baby, you're supposed to arrive next Sunday.
So where are we going now?
We're now gonna go and buy some food,
Uh-huh.
have some dinner,
Uh-huh.
relax,
Uh-huh.
he and I.
Okay.
Relax tomorrow. We have hospital appointment early morning. We won't do ultrasound. We won't be able to see the baby. But we'll do fetal heart monitoring and find out what the doctor has to say
All right.
about baby's arrival.
Let's go and eat something.
Let's go.
So we have arrived at the mall. Look at the lights. They're so nice, right?
Daddy, can we buy some bread first?
Okay, let's buy some bread. And it's evening and the lights are on. And we like lights, right? This is the mall. Let's go. And there's popcorn here. Will the baby like popcorn?
Yeah, but not the...
Not the caramel popcorn. Okay. Alright, let's go to the mall. What did you get, Mommy?
Mommy got a custard roll
And?
and some bread.
Woohoo! Yummy.
Mom, I will dress him well with a little bow tie.
We arrived at our restaurant.
Yeah? Let's go.
Let's see if we have a place to sit. Yeah? Oh, look, there's a lady with a baby there. That'll be us soon.
Yeah?
Yeah? Alright, let's go. Mommy at her favorite restaurant. Hong Kong food. Hi. Let's go. Is Mommy ready to eat?
Yes. Mommy's eating.
What are you starting with? Again, dumplings. Woohoo! And your soup is here. Shisha.
Okay. Dear Lord, bless his food.
How is it? Okay, let's start. Is Mommy full?
Yeah.
How's the baby doing?
Baby is... Oh, dirty. Well, baby's full, I think.
Okay.
Now Mommy will have a dessert.
Oh, what dessert? What do you have in mind?
Maybe I'll go home and have the custard thing that I bought.
Okay.
Cake.
All right. Let's go home then. Say that again.
Real ice cream.
Oh, what kind of ice cream do you want?
Chocolate. Real, baby real.
How do you want it? Cup or wafer?
No, wafer.
Oh
This could be
yeah.
my last ice cream
Before what?
delivery.
That's like in 7 days.
Yeah, could be my last ice cream.
Okay, why not? For Mommy and for baby. What's happening? Oh no,
Oh, this is sad.
Baskin Robbins is closed. So sad for you.
Sad for me. I don't want that. I want this ice cream.
So no ice cream then, right?
No ice cream. If this is not the one, then I will not. get
Okay,
anything
so sad.
else. Sad.
Okay, let's go home then.
Yeah, let's go. This is welcoming week 39. Calories.
How is it?
Mommy,
Is it good?
look, I'm about to explode.
Please.
What do I do? Look, this boy is moving.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, Mommy. Okay. 8th of March. Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
And you're gonna be a mommy too.
Yeah, this week hopefully.
This is Ziua Femeilor in Romanian.
Yeah?
So we're in a taxi, going to the hospital. It's gonna be a long ride.
Week 39.
7 a.m. It's gonna take us more than an hour to get there. All right. Let's settle in for the long ride. Mommy.
I'll take a nap.
Okay, I'll read my book. Deci am ajuns la spital. Mi-a așteptat asistenta și doamna doctor. Ok. Bun. Cât să vedem câtă lume este înăuntru. Deci 2, 4 asistente și doctorițe se ocupă de Upașna. Bun. Aici este un fel de cuier. Aici îmi pun hainele. Bun. Și sala de așteptare. Să vedem ce se discută aici. Acolo e dosarul lui Pașta. Aici au o statuetă pe care au pus-o cu ocazia anului nou chinezesc. Este aici o zeitate chinezească. Nu știu cum ce în chineză, dar în Thailanda era Mekon Im. Și văd că are un copilaș aici în brațe. Și lumea aprinde pe țigașe parfumate când au copii sau când se roagă. Foarte interesant. So mom is 59.1, which is good. Yeah? Deci azi facem test la urină și ascultăm inimioara copilașului. Iar aici sunt asistentele de gardă. 2, 4, 5 persoane. Ok. Aici au un panou cu bebelușii noi născuți și ceva informații. Deci, haideți să continuăm cu ascultarea inimii bebelușului. Oh, it's like a throne now. Oh yeah, you broke it. What have you done?
Okay.
Okay. Now they're adding the electrodes.
So it's not good to have fever. Infection.
The water run.
At home.
No,
Here.
yeah. Yeah.
All right.
So you were in the operation. How is it?
Okay, baby, let's see. It's slowing down now. Oh, oh.
So where did your friend walk? At home or?
No,
Are you turning?
Oh, she's a nurse.
she's a nurse. She's still working that day.
Oh my goodness, and she walked too much.
Yeah. That day, a little busy.
The baby's racing.
Which week?
Which was 40 weeks.
Beautiful baby. Și acum mergem să o vedem pe doamna doctor, să facem o consultație.
小猪马上就下来。
Hello. Hello.
So how is the? Good. Good. No problem. Good movement.
So not acceleration.
All right, the trip is over for today.
Nurse Cherry is here.
Hi, Nurse Cherry. Thank you for helping us.
welcome.
So how was it with the doctor? What did the
Good,
doctor
we have
say?
to wait.
All right, we're waiting. It's a waiting game now. The baby will arrive soon. We're gonna go to the mall to eat something. We're hungry. Bun, am ajuns acasă. M-am tuns foarte bine. Să fiu tuns pe când vine bebelușul. Mă duc sus, iau calculatoarele și mă întorc la școală. Pupaștea e deja la birou. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Bună dimineața, mami.
Da, tati.
How are you feeling today?
I didn't go to work yesterday because I felt like nesting.
You had a day off?
Cleaning, washing, ironing baby's clothes.
Ironing baby's clothes. Oh.
Getting the hospital
How many
back.
clothes do we have?
Oh, we have multe haine.
Multe haine? Well done, well done.
So
So 4 more
I'm
days?
going- I'm going back to work today. Gotta finish a few things. Easy busy.
Easy busy.
Easy peasy. Not
And
busy.
then
Look.
at the weekend? Yeah. What's gonna happen at the weekend?
Hopefully, I'm feeling a bit tired, and I feel some sort of dull ache. We'll see.
We'll see. Okay, the baby's coming, right?
Yes.
4 more days.
4 more days.
Come, baby's back to us.
Come soon, baby. Ciao, ciao. Look at my beautiful umbrella.
This is mommy's first rain.
This is mommy's first train, and today's mommy's last day at work.
Oh,
She has to take maternity leave because baby's supposed to arrive by Sunday.
oh,
So,
baby.
baby, are you arriving by Sunday?
We hope so.
Hope so. Should we take a leave? Should we stay home?
Yes.
I think so.
The weekend we'll have a baby.
Hopefully by this weekend we will have our baby home.
Huh?
Not home, but in the hospital.
Oh.
Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.